Staking Polkadot on a Ledger hardware wallet involves using the Polkadot.js interface. Here's how to do it. Set up your Ledger device. Ensure your Ledger device is set up and the Polkadot app is installed via Ledger Live. Connect Ledger to Polkadot.js. Open the Polkadot app on your Ledger device. Go to the Polkadot.js website and connect your Ledger by clicking on Accounts and selecting Ledger as the account source. Access Staking Interface. Navigate to the Network tab on Polkadot.js and select Staking from the drop-down menu. Bond your DOT tokens. Go to the Account Actions section and click on Bond or Stake to bond your DOT tokens. Specify the amount of DOT you wish to bond. Choose Validators. Click on Nominations and select Validators to nominate. Validators are responsible for securing the network and producing blocks. Select a few validators based on their performance and reputation. Nominate Validators. Confirm your validator nominations. This will delegate your bonded DOT tokens to the selected validators. Confirm on Ledger. You will need to approve the bonding and nomination transactions on your Ledger device. Follow the prompts on your Ledger to confirm the transactions. Monitor staking. Regularly check the staking section on Polkadot.js to monitor your staking rewards and the performance of your nominated validators. You can renominate validators or unbond your tokens if needed.